This right here is our cabin in Blue Ridge, Georgia that we're renting this weekend. Isn't that nice? Spectacular view. This right here is the beautiful river and back. And here's me chilling on the river dock. Doesn't get any better than this, does it? Nah. Perfect weekend at the cabin along the river. Look at that kingfisher.
She's gonna find that corner in a minute.
Yep.
Them geese are sure tame.
Oh, they've been fed before.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's swimming with the...
That's either a muskrat or a beaver.
You zoom in on him, or...
Yeah, I'm zoomed in.
I'll throw some corn out there.
I don't know if muskrats will eat corn.
You're just gonna scare him off.
Where is he? You go under?
No.
He's swimming pretty fast.
Swimming up current he is.
Yeah.
For sure. Not fixed money.
Who's that? Who's that?